Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making approximately 12 rock cakes. What you will need: a pinch of nutmeg, 1 egg, 3 ounces or 85 grams of sugar, 4 ounces or 100 grams of currants, 3 ounces or 85 grams of butter, 200 milliliters of milk, 12 ounces or 350 grams of self-raising flour. Preheat your oven to the degrees shown on the screen, wash your hands and line your tray with grease-proof paper. First, sieve your flour into a bowl. Now, add your butter and rub it together with the flour until you get breadcrumbs. Now add in all your dry ingredients and mix. Now, crack your egg into a separate bowl or cup and whisk until it's smooth. Now pour your egg into the bowl and mix it together. Pour the milk in a little at a time until it comes together like dough. You may not need all the milk. The key is to this: don't make the mixture too wet. Take your dough and break it and place it into approximately 12 rock cakes. Do not shake them or roll them. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have tried any of these recipes, tag me in your photos on Instagram so I can see. Follow my Instagram, like, subscribe and turn on that notification bell.